Hey there. So I've had a few of you ask about my refrigerator rotation. This is slot 1, this is slot 2, slot 3, and slot 4. So what I do is I say, okay, this is tomorrow, and we're gonna just go set it over here on the counter, and we'll deal with it in a little bit. And now we say, oh, well, we need to put more food out. So I get some, let me pull out something. Pull something out of the freezer. That's a, oh, mercy, hold on. That's a lunch and a supper. And then I need an egg muffin, so we'll take one of those and I'll get it ready. Now, I pull this one out and I put this one back in slot 4. So it's very hard doing it one-handed. So this new, most frozen one goes into slot 4. I'm gonna take this, shove it over for a minute. That may not work. Okay, no, wait. This was slot 3. So okay, that was slot 3. Yeah. And so this became, no, that was the old slot 4. Okay, so this one was slot 2, so it now becomes slot 1. So it goes 4, 3, 2, 1. So this was slot 3, and now I need to put the new one in new slot 3. This is slot 4, and it goes into slot 3. And there. It's easier with 2 hands. I can just hold one and move them. But my shelves are not tall enough to move this to there. So anyway, so yeah. So I pulled out slot 1, moved slot 4 to slot 3 to slot 2, and slot 2 to slot 1. So now this is the former slot 2, and now it's slot 1. So I just have a continuous C going, and that's what I do every night, or sometimes I do it every couple days. So now we come over and address the food that we just pulled out. When I pull it out, I typically kind of look and I'm like, okay, that's plain ground beef and that's plain ground beef. I mean, you can't really see, I can open it and show you. Okay, so plain ground beef and plain ground beef. So from here, I'm like, okay, well, which one do I want to take to work? I've been taking them seasoned stuff to work instead of the plain. So now I've got to go to my refrigerator and see what I want to put on this one tomorrow. So hold on. I'll be leaving my egg out because I'll take that with me, and I'll move my supper. I just stick it on the bottom shelf. And tomorrow evening, we'll figure out what we're going to do with that. You know, the things that sound good to me, sometimes I'm like, man, I sound like I'm pregnant. But I'm going to, hang on, I've got to get the air out of here. But what I'm about to put together, it just sounds good to me, except I forgot to add this in my tracker. Hang on. Okay, so we're going to have kind of a bacon burger thing tomorrow. But I've got some, I don't know, maybe a weird combination. I'm going to put some minced onions on there. That's not weird. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic on it. A little bit of my dehydrated garlic. And I'm going to put some, why is that wet? It feels like I sat something wet on top of it. Some everything bagel seasoning. You know, I think I still have 3 more of them up in my counter, or up in my cabinet. A little bit of adobo, and I'll leave that as just, I got to put a little smoked paprika on there. Just because. Now, this is what sounds good. So I'm going to do 1 serving, which is 5 grams of sun-dried tomatoes. Don't ask why. I just opened my refrigerator and things just say, hey, how about you pick me up, sis? How about you come pick me up and spend a little time with me? So I got that in there. I'm going to do, if I can get it to close. Okay. Then I'm going to do 1 serving of bacon pieces, which is 7 grams. So I'll zero it out. Okay. Then we're doing like a bacon burger type thing. So then we're going to add some Dijon mustard. Good old Great Value Dijon mustard, which is 5 grams. I had something similar to this the other day. All right. And now we're going to do 1 serving of Primal Kitchen ketchup, which is 15 grams. Right? Yeah, 15 grams. You know, I say everything in weights. That's also 1 tablespoon. But weight is much more accurate, so that's why I weigh it. Then, wait. Then we're going to add some dill relish. So 15 grams of that. We'll see how tomorrow Terry feels about this combo. And this is the weird thing. I don't know, this just sounds good. Some Polynesian Jihu sauce. I don't know why. I never know why. I just want it. So 30 grams of that. All right. So there we go. That's what I'll be taking for my lunch tomorrow. I'm kind of packing it down a little bit. So take that. And you know, I say this all the time, but that little amount just makes me panic in my head. I'm like, it just doesn't seem like very much. And, you know, and so I kind of like, I don't know, what if I get hungry tomorrow? That just makes me nervous. But that's it. So that's what I'm taking. So now I will put my lunchbox in the refrigerator. And in the morning, I'll make my coffee and grab my food out and take it to work. So I'll see you tomorrow. And we'll see how this combination tastes. Hello. Here's another $5 outfit from the Women's Safe House thrift store. We got a shirt for I think $3 and the pants for $2. Or maybe vice versa. No, the pants, I don't know. Anyway, I think it was $2.50. Anyway, it's a $5 or $6 outfit. It's an Eddie Bauer shirt and Christopher and Banks jeans, size 12. So being Christopher and Banks jeans, you know, they're real good and sturdy jeans. And then being Eddie Bauer, it's a good, you know, thick, heavy, dense shirt. So, okay, bye. Lunch today is my egg muffin. And I still have about that much of my protein coffee. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, bye. Hello, it's lunchtime, and I'm about to try that concoction that I made last night. I remember kind of some of it, what was in it. I was going to tell you something. Must not have been too important because I done forgot what I was going to say. What was it about? I don't know. Anyway. We're going to eat some of this and see what we think. I remember there was ketchup and Polynesian sauce and dill pickles and the zucchini blend. We'll see what we think of that. What was I going to tell you all? I don't know. I lost it. But that's how it looks. So let's see what we think. Let's see if it's any good or if it's weird. I remember water. So I've noticed that, you know, I don't know if it's because it's cold or because I'm not trying to lose weight anymore. But I used to refill my water thing, which you're leaning against it right now, so I can't show you. But I used to drink that water thing. I drink 2 before lunch and then like maybe 2 more throughout the afternoon. And then I drink 1 whenever I got home. So I used to drink that thing 5-6 times a day. And right now I'm probably filling it up like 2 to 3 times. So I'm drinking about half the amount of water. I don't know why. I don't know what the deal is. If it's just cold, I have no idea. But anyway, it's just something I noticed last night. And I'm like, oh, let me tell y'all. So anyway, I'm definitely drinking less water. So, okay, off to eat. Bye. Hello, it is supper time. I enjoyed this yesterday or day before, whenever I had it. And you know, we're trying to get rid of my cottage cheese. I'm going to do seasonings first. So we're going to do this, you know, no pasta in a bowl. I'm going to do a little bit. I've got some Dano's spicy. Put a little of that in here. I'm going to put a little bit of Greek seasoning. I'll put a little bit of the everything bagel. I'm going to put a little bit of paprika in here too. Alright, now, let me put a little garlic because, you know, garlic is life. Garlic is life. Okay, I'll put that back there. Now, I've already microwaved this for about 1.5 minutes. We're going to do like yesterday. I'll do half of a serving of cottage cheese, which is 60-something grams, 60 grams, right at 60. Almost. Alright. And then we'll do 60 grams of Rayo's. Oh, one of the dogs is out there barking. Okay, hold on. Well, I don't like doing this because then I'm a little bit like Sheldon. I don't like my hands to get messy. I don't like a messy spoon. Obviously, you all see me wear gloves half the time. But I don't like that. I don't like my hands to get goopy. So I will have to get a new spoon. It's just me. Alright. Now, I got finished licking. Alright. So now, let me beat that down a little bit. And I'm going to pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes. So this is how I did it yesterday. I just mixed it all up here now. And then what I did was, I ate a few bites, and I'd like scoop up one of these, scoop up a zucchini, and scoop up a bite of meat. It's gonna be really hot, and I'm gonna regret this. It's good. I like it. What I am going to do is put just a little bit of that Greek seasoning on the zucchini blend. Just a little bit. I don't know. Not even a lot. Not even a lot. Oh, I'm going to put a little salt in it. And a little potassium. Just because. Don't ask questions. We don't know the answer. Terry just does what she does sometimes. So now, let's try this again, by George. Let's try this again. Got the seasoning in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'll start shoveling it over into there. So, ooh, that's a nice little one. Let's take this one. Let it cool. Dadgummit, dog. That's a winner, winner chicken dinner. Okay, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Yo, there's my macros for the day. Not too bad. I think things are going pretty well. All right, have a good night. See you later.